Welcome to this BOSCH Professional Garden Training Session. My name is Chris and I'm joined in the studio, as always, by my fellow product expert, Danny.
So here we have the GKE18V-40 professional chainsaw. If you're looking for a high performance tool for serious cutting jobs, this one is for you. Let's dive into the details.
First off, let's talk about the size and power. The 40 in the name of the GKE18V-40 refers to the 40 centimetre bar length, which is the perfect balance of cutting power and usability. With a maximum cut length of 36 centimetres, you'll be able to take on large logs with ease.
Really impressive. The blade speed is 12.4 metres per second, which gives you the kind of cutting efficiency you'd expect from a professional grade saw.
As with any professional chainsaw, safety is paramount, and BOSCH have you well and truly covered here. The chainsaw comes with a physical kickback function, as well as an electrical motor brake to enhance safety. In the event of a kickback, the saw stops the chain within 0.12 seconds. Now, that is super fast.
Pretty impressive. That rapid stop is a key safety feature, especially if you're dealing with tough cuts or unpredictable conditions. Should the blade speed drop, however, during the cut, this saw is fitted with BOSCH OptiCut tech for tougher cutting conditions, meaning the speed of the blade is monitored and adjusted automatically to help prevent stalling in the cut.
Now let's talk about power sources. The chainsaw uses a single Procore 18V battery and is part of the AmpShare battery alliance, which means you can use the same batteries across a wide range of 18-volt BOSCH and partner tools, which is super convenient if you already have other tools within the AmpShare ecosystem.
With a single 18-volt battery, you get excellent runtime. For example, with a 12 amp hour battery, you can make up to 180 cuts on a single charge, giving you all the power you need for bigger projects without worrying about running out of charge.
Another feature which is really important is the transparent oil reservoir. This makes it easy to keep track of your oil levels so you won't run dry while working. In addition, the battery box has a hole in the bottom to help with the removal of batteries and also helping you to remove wood snippets, so cleaning is a breeze. So if we rotate the machine around to the other side, you'll see on this side here, we now no longer have that SDS chain tensioning system that is on some of our other chainsaws out there in the market. There are two main reasons. One, this is typically the industry standard method, and also because you can run much flusher to the material without that system there, and also allows you to rest the chainsaw on its side, which is really useful when filling up the oil reservoir, for example.
Yep.
As we don't have an SDS chain system on here, it's done manually. So Danny, let's quickly show how you would tension the chain on this model.
So basically this isn't a tool-free system, so we've handily stored the screwdriver wrench, or scrench as we call it, in the bottom of the machine there. Really easy to take out. Screwdriver on there with the wrench on there. So you can tell from the chain at the moment on here that it's actually quite loose. So we need to tighten that up. Quite straightforward. Just undo the two nuts on the side there. And in the centre, you can just drop in the screwdriver part and tighten the chain up by turning it clockwise. And again, loosening it by turning it anti-clockwise. You want to tighten it until just that middle tooth just drops out of the bar, just around about there. And then clockwise to tighten those up. Make them nice and snug. There you go. And then simply pop the wrench back in the underside of the machine again. There you go. So like that. So despite the fact that it's not tool-free, it's really easy, simple, and you can understand why this is industry standard for professional grade chainsaws. These small design touches really make a difference, especially if you're working in the field and need to keep your equipment in top condition.
So, to sum it all up, the GKE18V-40 is an incredibly compact but powerful machine. With up to 180 cuts on that 12 amp hour battery, BOSCH OptiCut technology for tougher cutting conditions, and a rapid motor brake for safety. This saw is built for professionals that need reliability and power.
If you're in the market for a high-performance chainsaw that combines cutting power, runtime, and safety features, the GKE18V-40 is the chainsaw for you. Be sure to like this video if you found this helpful, and hit the like and subscribe button for more training videos.